We're creating 24 fun automations today called SheetFools. You can get all these automations at bettersheets.co/SheetFools. Right now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create rainbow columns. Apparently, you can do this any time of the year. PRIDE. Put that in the first 5 columns, and you get these cool rainbow columns. Let's do that as a daily trigger or weekly trigger, however you want to do it. Go to Extensions, App Script. We've already done Christmas mode. Let's create function rainbow columns. What we need to do is get variable sheet equals spreadsheet app.getActive sheet and merely do sheet.get range 1, 1, set value. Next, we're going to copy this and do in 2, do R, in 3, I, in column 4, we're going to put a D, and in column 5, we're going to put E. Now, we save this. We will just run it and see what happens. Go back here, and Pride is there. It's a little bit destructive if you have some content in A1 through E1, but should be fun if you're on any other sheet. We can now run this as a trigger. Over on the left side, go Triggers, Add New Trigger. On the bottom right, choose which function. We have a bunch of other functions here. We're going to choose rainbow columns. We're going to choose time-driven and event source. You could do it every hour. We could do it every day, every week. Let's do it every week. Let's do it every Friday at 1 p.m. It's the end of the week. We want to just have some fun with our sheets. Go save. And now every Friday between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m., whatever active sheet this person is on, we'll have some rainbow columns. Enjoy. Make sure this one is not destructive, hopefully. And the other ones are not as destructive as that and are really fun. Check all the other videos out here on BetterSheets on YouTube.